In this video, we'll be walking through how to properly switch out panels in the Rubbermaid Commercial Products Landmark containers. Landmark containers are the ideal solution for high-volume outdoor waste collection. In order to properly switch out panels in the Landmark containers, you will need the following tools and materials. Landmark frame, 4 panels, and flathead screwdriver. To begin, tilt the dome top backwards and remove the rigid liner. Locate the collar and 4 bolts at each corner of the collar. Starting with the hinged side of the collar, use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the 2 bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Place the bolts and washers to the side. Repeat this step for the remaining 2 bolts and washers. Gently lift off the dome top and place to the side. Slide the 4 existing panels out of the frame channels. Slide the 4 new panels into the frame channels in the plastic legs. Do not drop the panels into place. Press the panels firmly into the channels until they are securely seated in place. Once the panels are firmly in the base, place the dome top back onto the container. Tilt the dome top back to expose the square sockets in the collar. Do not open the dome top all the way, or it could pull the collar from the legs. Fasten the front side of the collar down using 2 bolts, 2 lock washers, and 2 flat washers. Repeat this step on the hinged side of the collar. Make sure to tighten all bolts securely. Place the rigid liner through the opening in the collar. If using a poly liner, place it inside the rigid liner by wrapping it around the bag hooks. The Landmark container is now ready to use. The Rubbermaid Commercial Products Landmark containers.